column of tanks heading northeast in a valley.
Last winter, we joined our 118th ASOS troops radioing in mock airstrikes in the hills near Indian Gap, Pennsylvania. This fall, we caught up with them training in the much warmer climate of Central Florida.
Kelly, which level? Cleared hot. Sam launch. Southwest of the airfield.
Stealth and lethalness are two key ingredients the 118th ASOS group needs in order to be successful.
The small arms weapons that we typically carry are the M4 or the GAL-5, which fires a 5.56 millimeter round. And
the day we joined them, Staff Sergeant
M9
Craig Ramsey introduced us to some of the ASOS tools of the trade, like radios, maps, laser rangefinders, and global positioning equipment. He went on to explain the importance of camouflage and concealment to the ASOS mission. The goal? To stealthily creep in as close to the enemy as possible, call in the airstrike when the time is right, then disappear when the deed is done like you were never there.
Training we're doing is keep people up to date on how we operate and the reasons we have some of the resources we do. A lot of questions are raised as to why we need certain equipment, and people call them goodies. Well, this is it. This is what we do. It's our job to maintain constant readiness to be able to perform our mission. I'm in radio maintenance. I work on the radios that these guys use. The TAC-P guys, they're going to take you out to the range and let you see a couple of flyovers. I'm not sure if they're going to be dropping or not, but it'll be an experience for everyone to see.
That way?
Oh, that elliptical wing back like that.
You're going.
So you're going.
One, Romeo.